We have a card. Okay. Did you get up and I'll get the rest for you? Oh, hold on. No, you guys have to melt soap. Just soap like that. Look at him. He's calm.
Gift for you. If she needs help after this, I'm not gonna move.
Yeah, I know. This is from work. From my job. This is one of the gifts. And I think the big one is here. They have hey, we use this. This is the one we use as a family. Thank you. Diapers. Of course. We love diapers. Thank you. I love this one. Look how cool this is. Yeah. Like a little lamp. Hi guys, welcome to Nika's vlogs. I'm so tired. Been nesting all day, trying to clean, get the house ready, so don't mind my face here. But I'm so tired. There's a pile of laundry and another one, two more downstairs. I'm trying to clean everything. Bedding, sheets. We also took down all the curtains. My husband helped me, so I'm going to, they're drying up right now, and I have to iron them and then put them in. And I also changed every bathroom curtains and the shower curtain and the curtain that goes on top to just have them clean. I do this, I change the shower curtain at least every semester, you know. I just basically buy a brand new one. And my husband, we got yesterday IKEA furniture, which I will show you, but it's upstairs. He is putting them together right now, and I put the bassinet. I can show you. You hear that? But first, let me show you the bathroom here. So I just bleached the bathroom completely, and there's the shower curtain. I change these every semester because on the bottom they always get dirty. And so I have no time to wash it. I just buy it, Walmart, $4. And then I bleach the bathroom. I know I'm not supposed to, but it's mild bleach. I'm not supposed to really smell the bleach, but what to do? My messy bedroom. And then there's the bassinet. It's from Fisher Price. Fisher Price, I think. I forget. Yeah, Fisher Price. It's beautiful. My cousin got me this. I'm so excited. I just need to buy batteries. This has music, vibration, and beautiful mobile here. I went with these colors because I love these colors. It was so easy to put together. Like, it just clips. You know, it's so easy. It is heavy, however, if you want to pull it. The only downfall, it doesn't have wheels. So, I'm out of breath. So when you have to pull it, you have to be very careful that you don't get your hands here stuck and hurt. And it's very heavy, like I said. So let me show you guys my belly. I got this hamper at Walmart. Finally I found it. It has 3, and I put it there for now until baby comes. There is my baby, very low. I mean, very, very low. I'm 37 weeks today, and oops, forgot those and those, I guess tomorrow. Like I said, just been nesting, cleaning, organizing, getting everything ready for the baby. I'm gonna show you upstairs now the nursery that's coming. This is all the gifts here. Well, some of the gifts that we have to put upstairs. We got these today, these 2 from my sister-in-law. And another thing that I've been doing, I went to Walmart and I got some frames for my daughter's pictures, because I have a lot, because you know, I do photography. So I got these frames for like $4.99. Very affordable, very, very nice. And I put one there, and another one over there. Yeah, the house looks very bare without curtains, as you can tell, right? And I got this thing where I sit here mostly and sleep here, and I put laptop there to work. There's my work laying. I still have a video to edit for work. And I gotta put this heavy picture frame somewhere. There's the stairs my husband did. I'm gonna show you guys there's the IKEA furniture. Oh god. I did these, put them together myself. This wall will be for the next baby. So, whew, I can barely get up here. But I should show you a little bit of progress. How's it going? It's going. It smells like wood. Whew. So this is the furniture. It's basically strip wood. If you want to paint it, you can paint it. Pine wood. Why am I smelling it now? Right? I'm smelling it now. This strong pine wood. Some of the stuff here, diapers we've been getting. That's the only clothes that I have besides what's in there for the baby. And stroller. We got a Graco stroller. He already put it together. So, and then I have another bassinet here that you carry on. And more stuff there for the baby. And junk there. But this is what's going on. Small ones are a bit. Oh god. There's our backyard. A lot of space. Now let's see what this monkey's doing. What are you doing?
Hi.
Hi. So, this is her room, which she's blocked here. How can we even get in here? We went to Target and I found her this nice carpet. I'm in love with this carpet. Like really in love.
Excuse me, this is my house.
She
Can I just go back?
She likes to play with cardboards. I have no idea. I hate this. But I'll let her have fun for now and then throw them away. But this is her room for now.
Yeah. And Mickey, Mom, let me show you something.
No, don't throw it up. No, you don't throw that up.
I did it.
No, don't.
Wow!
Because that could fall in your face and you get hurt.
No, it's
But look at this carpet. It was on sale, Labor Day sale. It was $130 and we got it for $99. It's beautiful. I love it.
Look, can I show you
I saw it on Pinterest.
Can I show you with this?
Yes,
what,
go
over
ahead.
there? Okay.
I gotta go down because I have
No,
laundry.
come in the window. Come in the window. This window.
Aren't you talking to Claudia?
Yeah, but she hanged up by herself.
Oh.
So this is my little room.
Alright, I gotta go.
Okay.
So, she said, do not enter or else. And she's got this face. You know what? The picture goes along well, right? With the phrase here, do not enter or else. There's the pictures. And she turned 5 here. Yep. And she turned 3 here. She was 2.5 here. 2.5. Little fella. Alright, so that's it for now. Now I gotta do my laundry here. So. There you go. There. It's not that bad right now. Yesterday, my feet were very swollen. There's Carlos. All right, our gardener just came, so I have to go outside and tell him that he shouldn't be touching my flowers. Last time he did. And it's raining. Alright, I put a lot of makeup for work because I had to film 3 videos. One was a lesson, 2 stories. Now let's go check up upstairs and see the progress that my husband has made on the IKEA furniture. All right, what do you guys think? This is the most makeup I've put in forever. Now it's like, oh, I got a peaceful bed. Oh, look at this. Y'all, there's so much. Oh, here's the curtains. All washed and ironed. It took me like 2.5 hours. But they smell good, they look good. And I used the cable there. And the mess, of course. Let's go upstairs. Nasty stairs. I gotta mop. What are you doing?
I was learning the piano.
Yeah?
I'm FaceTiming Colombia.
Nice.
Show you my videos.
Let's see Daddy's progress. Ah, ew, you farting? Hey, pretty good. Wow, that's low too, or does he have feet? Those are the feet. Ooh, I can smell it. I can smell it. I can smell it. I did a thumbnail. Nice, looks good. It's pretty much done if you did the what do you call it? The drawers. Very good. Oh god, I'm so tired. You can paint these, but I'm not gonna paint them because I love this style. Who's this guy? Almost done. So that's gonna go here. One is already done. There's this one right here. I might get another one. All right, I gotta go down. I just filmed 3 videos, so I'm good for today and 2 more days at work. Oh my goodness, what a disaster here. What have you done? Why you have this on high and the window open? You want it like this? There's a nice
found
coat.
my channel.
She did?
Yeah.
How?
She searched and she goes to
Oh my gosh, your feet are so dirty.
what position
Yeah.
and then goes.
Alright.